Happy Sunday, everybody. In case you guys don't know who I am or what I'm doing, it's your boy Patty. I'm using my daily instance. We got all three shiny galarian birds. Still searching for our first. We started today's instance out with two-hand Binacle Man, and a very cool spawn. I love him. I have a couple of shinies, and I've just seen him a lot, so why not? But we did transfer him. And then Milky Man has been showing up. He's back. You'll love to see him. All-time favorite Pokemon. We transferred him, though. And we got about 22 Pokemon in the instance. No shinies, no birds. But you never know. Maybe tomorrow. With all that said, though, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.